Eric Wilson here with bestpracticedigital.com with another campaign website. This week we're going to look at Jennifer Carroll Foy, who is another Democrat who is running for governor of Virginia, and she's already announced she's got her website up. So let's take a look. All right. So first off, really good search results. First thing that comes up for her name, a very, very unique name, obviously. So that's going to help her out as well. Again, recording this in Virginia, not seeing any search ads, but maybe finding it on other terms, that kind of thing. And I just realized now that we are still in the political ad band. So no ads at all. She gets a pass on that. We are come to her website. There's no modal box or what we call interstitial or preview video. You've got to come in here and take a look at her website, which is a great splash page. Kind of odd that there's sort of gray on that blue background, but let's just put in a zip code. And then see what happens here. All right, so it looks like some, could be better, could be some formatting issues that could be improved. I would personally, redirect to a donate page after a sign up like this. So that's a little peculiar. Scroll down, you have your standard announcement video, it looks like. 90 seconds, which is short and a lot shorter than what we saw with Terry McAuliffe's video. Lots of good photography. Clearly took some time to go out and do this right. Talking through some of her concrete accomplishments in the General Assembly, and then has this call to action to pitch in $10 to her Act Blue page. As you can tell by the blocks, another one of these WordPress sites, which is great. Some good social proof here with different endorsements from influential leaders. This looks like a featured post widget with her press releases. Again, press releases not really for general consumption from just regular voters. And also I would strongly suggest making use of the excerpts feature here on a website so you don't have it sort of cut off or you can load the main point further up in the press release. Wrapping up with great photos and links to social. So really good homepage. Logo's very interesting. Not some different colors. Uses these lines. Really puts an emphasis on her last name. Tells the office she's running for. So again, just sort of contrast it to Terry McAuliffe's logo, who's just using Terry. Jennifer Carroll Foy has to introduce herself, so that's what this logo's going for. So you can click here and meet her, learn more about her background, see some photos here. Looks like she's got a really active, happy family. So great bio here, goes into a little bit more of her personality. When you click through on the issues page, a really good issues page. I just want to call out again because it's worth the investment, the photography that we're seeing on her website, because she has good photography with each page, and the titles are really clear. The only complaint I would have is, the actual title isn't clickable. You have to go up to a photo to click through to it. She has this really great format with, here's the problem as a delegate, here's what I did, and here are my plans for governor. I like that layout visually, but in terms of search engine optimization, she's missing out here. So if you just look here, you can see that she's using the H2 style class here and also using it here, which misses out on some SEO benefits. So I probably would have done this as like maybe as a bold or underline rather than H2. But again, like I'm really having to search for something here to nitpick. Then let's pop over to the other side of her website. So get involved opens up in a new NGP van page. Pretty standard. Not too much engaging in terms of the, why would I want to volunteer? Is there a way to just sign up, for email? There's no footer call to action or anything like that. You have to go through and fill out this huge form. So I suspect she's missing out on quite a few subscribers or signups. I was shocked to see a shop this early in the campaign. Obviously doesn't cost you anything if you're doing the fulfill as you get orders kind of practice. But this is not something I would be leading with. I'd really be focusing on building a list before I start doing apparel and things like that. But all said, looks pretty interesting. And if people who are big fans of her already want stuff, that's there for them. Let's round out with her donate page. So when you go to Act Blue, she's got a really good Act Blue page. Dynamic photo of her. She's got the video here. And then some pretty compelling copy. So a little bit more customization than what we saw with Terry McAuliffe. And then has your standard Act Blue page. So overall, really good website, lots of great imagery and very clear. It seems to me like the type of page or site that they're going to be building out and adding to as the campaign goes on. But great first start and really clean and professional site.